Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. Guys, this is my Ipsy bag for the month of June 2018. So, if you want to see what I got, stay tuned. But first, you know what to do. You know you want to press it. There's a button, and it says subscribe. And you know you want to press it. It says subscribe. So press it. Guys, we got to be quick because I have so much stuff to do. Oh my gosh. All right, this is the Ipsy for June 2018. It's the Pride theme. So the theme is flying colors because it's Pride month. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's see what we got. Is this everything? I love these fuchsia packages, by the way. So yeah, so this is the theme here, flying colors. So it has like a rainbow, well, ombre and stripes. First thing I got was these two sheet masks. I don't know what they say because clearly it's like not in English, but yeah, two sheet masks, so that's not bad. This one is apple theme. It says Natural Talks apple sheet mask, and this one is the natural acai berry mask sheet, so sheet mask. So I guess they're like all natural. So they have fruit in them or something. So that's cool, kind of cool. And the next thing I got is this Ofra single blush, and it's blush melon. It's in blush melon. And let's see here. What it look? Ooh, the pan's really big. So the pan's big. It looks mauve-y, and I live for a mauve. Let's see here. Actually, let me swatch it on here. Oh wow, that's pretty. I mean, I'm a person who can never have too many blushes, so like I'm living for this blush. And it looks like full size. So these you need to put in a little magnetic palette, the Z palettes, which I do have one. So yeah, sometimes you forget to put them in there and then they break, and then or you lose them. So yeah, that's the swatch right there. So remember to put it in your Z palette, okay, people? Okay. Next thing we got was, I love Ipsy because I get a brush in every single Ipsy bag, and I just love brushes. And this one, I love Luxie brushes. They're they're just so good. Like this one looks like it would be good for like going under your brow with your concealer, or just like putting on like a shimmer shade or like the inner corner of your eye, or like your highlight here. So oh, I'm so hot. So yeah, this looks like a really good brush, and this is the Luxie 245 small shader brush. So yeah, I'm loving it. Next thing I got was this Beauté Basics satin taupe foiled eyeshadow. So let's get into it, see what it's all about here. Okay, I'm not sure how to open this. Let's see, maybe that way. Okay, that looks promising. Beauté Basics. And oh, this looks kind of cheap. Well, it's definitely very cheaply put together. If you can see this here, it's totally cheap looking, but that's not bad. I mean, it's not a bad thing. All right, let's swatch it. It feels very buttery. Let's swatch it here. Oh, it's pretty. It's nice. It's nice for like an all over lid kind of shade. It's kind of like the shade I have on now. But this is actually Juvia's Place. But yeah, it'll give you like a little flush of color. So I'm not mad at it. It looks like they're spending the money on their products, not the wrapper, not the container for it, because this is a little ratchet, but that's okay. It does say Beauté Basics, so basic. And then Ipsy knows the way to my heart. I freaking love felt tip liners, and it's so funny. I just bought another Stila one, the 24-hour. That's my all-time fave. I used to always use the e.l.f. Felt tip liner because it was only $3, but it bleeds so much. So I was like, okay, let me step my game up and get one that's not $3. Oh, they know the way to my heart. They know the way to my heart. Let's see how black it is. Oh, yes. And this is Jante Bleu, and it's very, 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 very nice. So, I mean, I have no complaints. I love it. I love it. As usual, I love my Ipsy bag. As usual. What else is new? Like, I always get a brush. I mean, this is full size. Like, this is life right here. And, I mean, the blush, I like. This eyeshadow, I could take or leave. The sheet masks, I mean, they're nice. Like, you can't have enough sheet masks. There's enough skincare. So, yeah, this is what I got for my Ipsy for the month of June 2018. Guys, leave a comment down below. What'd you get in your box? Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for all my other unboxings. I'm doing them all. Till the next video. Bye.